Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox backup codes. These essential codes provide a critical way to access your account if your two-step verification method is unavailable. They act as an emergency key, ensuring you are never locked out. Each code is unique and designed for single use, giving you that vital one-time bypass. Keep them safe. They are incredibly valuable for account recovery. Backup codes become essential when your usual two-step verification method is simply not working. Perhaps you have lost your phone, or your authenticator app unexpectedly reset itself. You might also encounter this issue if you are using a brand new device and have not yet transferred your authenticator settings. These codes are your last resort when you cannot receive security codes through text or email, ensuring continued access. You actually generate and save your backup codes during the initial setup of your two-step verification. Roblox typically provides a list of 10 distinct codes for you to either download, print, or carefully copy. It is absolutely crucial to store these in a very secure, offline location, perhaps a trusted password manager or a physical printout. Never save them where they could be easily compromised, like a phone screenshot or unsecured cloud storage. To use a backup code, begin by attempting to log into your Roblox account using your usual credentials. When the system prompts you for your two-step verification code, look closely for an option labeled Use a Backup Code. Click on this specific option, then carefully enter just one of your unused backup codes into the provided field. Once you successfully enter a valid code, you will gain immediate access to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.